Hey guys, good morning. Tony here. Like I told you guys, I think last week. Um, like I said, I do not think we're gonna go past $50 this week, and we keep bouncing off this resistance of like the $45 mark. We are creating on the month chart. We did create a higher high, which is fine, but I do think before we hit 50, we might actually come back and retest 44. I'll put some quick TA on here really fast, and then I'll probably have the full TA on my YouTube if you guys want to go sub and then go watch it over there because it's probably going to be a lot longer than a minute, which is what TikTok limits me to. But I do think that by Friday, I don't think we're going to do 50 this week. I really don't. Um, I still think we're gonna run up to earnings, and then there might be a sell off depending on depending on how if we beat expectations or not for NIO, right? But as of right now, it's not looking like we're gonna be breaking $50 this week, especially because it's already Thursday today, and we might just stay. We might just kind of float around this area up until tomorrow close. Maybe next week Monday or Friday close. If we do break 50, I do think we're gonna break Friday after market close or Monday open. That's when we'll break 50. But I do think we're gonna keep consolidating and we're gonna stay around this level up until earnings.